Hello, my name is Noraida binti Omar, and today I will be presenting about this project, Material Characterization of Magnesium Mesoporous Carbonated Hydroxyapatite. This is the list of authors that is involved in this project. Firstly, I will explain about what is hydroxyapatite. Hydroxyapatite is a calcium phosphate source with chemical formula as shown, and it is known for its excellent bioactivity, thermodynamic stability, osteoconductivity, superior biocompatibility, and non-toxicity. Innaturable, however, varies in some ways from pure hydroxyapatite. Hence, by doping of hydroxyapatite can improve hydroxyapatite characteristics such as stoichiometry, composition, crystallinity, nanosize crystal dimension, and also physicochemical characteristic of the hydroxyapatite. Magnesium ion has a great role in preserving healthy bones, include increased bone density and help prevent osteoporosis from occurring. Magnesium also plays a great role in membrane transport, cell proliferation, mineral metabolism, bone calcification, and cell signaling. Carbonate ion plays crucial roles in biological response of bone cells. In addition to that, the substitution of carbonate ion in HAP lattice is known to weaken the apatite structure and make it more soluble, lower crystallinity, and is suitable for bone-related use. In addition to that, the substitution of carbonate ion in hydroxyapatite lattice is known to weaken the apatite structure and make it more soluble, lower crystallinity, and is suitable for bone-related use. Hence, in this study, we investigate the effective concentration of magnesium doping in Mesoporous carbonated hydroxyapatite to be used as a biomaterial. In this study, we apply wet precipitation synthesization of magnesium doped Mesoporous carbonated hydroxyapatite. In this synthesis, we also varied the concentration of magnesium doping to 2% and 4%. And also, after we obtain the magnesium doped Mesoporous carbonated hydroxyapatite, we do characterization of the sample with SRD, FTIR, SEM, and also PET. With the result of the characterization, and we then proceed with the analysis and discussion for the magnesium doped Mesoporous carbonated hydroxyapatite. This is the result of the characterization of magnesium doped Mesoporous carbonated hydroxyapatite. The first graph shows the result for SRD analysis. In the graph shows the peak level with million indices such as 111, 002, 102, and more. The indices shows from the graph matches the PDF pattern for the HAP in the SRD database. Apart from that, there is also no evidence of any other phase that is present in the lattice of hydroxyapatite. Hence, we can conclude that we managed to synthesize hydroxyapatite from wet precipitation method. As for the 2% doped magnesium in hydroxyapatite, we can see that the peaks are narrow and poorly resolved when compared to 4% Mesoporous carbonated hydroxyapatite. Furthermore, when we compare the most intensive peak located between 2 theta of 31 degree and 33 degree, in commercial HAP, they will slightly shift at the peak of 2%, 4%, and also Mesoporous carbonated hydroxyapatite. This indicates that we successfully doped hydroxyapatite with magnesium and carbonate ion. And also by using Origin Pro software, we can tabulate the crystallinity index, lattice parameter, and also crystallite size of the sample we produce. And from this table, we can see that the lattice constant at C increases as we added magnesium into the lattice, but decreases when we increase the concentration of dopant to 4%. We can see that the crystallinity index increases when we dope the Mesoporous carbonated hydroxyapatite with magnesium. However, we can see that when we increase the dopant to 4%, the crystallinity index decreases. But still, the crystallinity index is greater than undoped Mesoporous carbonated hydroxyapatite. This can conclude that by doping magnesium into hydroxyapatite can increase the crystallinity index. However, it decreases gradually when we increase the concentration of the dopant. And from this table also, we can see that the 2% of magnesium carbonated hydroxyapatite has the smallest crystallite size, resulting in more compact structure of the carbonated hydroxyapatite. However, when we increase the amount of dopant to 4%, we can see that the crystallite size increase. Thus, the right amount of dopant is needed to enhance the crystallite size of the sample. However, the crystallite size of all the samples is still in the range of Mesoporous dimension, which is in between 2 to 50 nanometer. In this graph shows the FTIR analysis of the sample we produce. FTIR is used to identify the sample functional group by peaks and spectrum. It can be used to detect and understand the effect of magnesium in carbonated hydroxyapatite. From the graph, you can see that all the samples exhibit similar peak patterns. The functional group of the sample can be seen at the wavelength bands, and we can see the type B carbonate is found at the spectrum range between 1470 to 1410. In the past research mentioned that doping of magnesium will decrease the intensity of hydroxide ion vibration mode as well as broadening the phosphate band. We can see from the graph that 2% and 4% magnesium into the HAP lattice exhibit the characteristic as the past research. This is the table that we obtained from the BET analysis. From the table of data obtained, the BET surface area, BGH pore size, and BGH pore volume of 2% magnesium doped carbonated hydroxyapatite are more larger compared to Mesoporous carbonated hydroxyapatite. This shows that incorporating magnesium into carbonated hydroxyapatite has improved the porosity of the material. This figure shows the pore size distribution analysis. The figure shows corresponding to the BGH pore size distribution graph. We can see that the size of doped carbonated hydroxyapatite is 18.9 and the size of undoped carbonated hydroxyapatite is 16.7. We can say that by doping magnesium into carbonated hydroxyapatite increases the pore size. As for conclusion, in this study, we can conclude that magnesium doped Mesoporous carbonated hydroxyapatite was successfully synthesized. synthesized from wet precipitation method. And magnesium doped carbonated hydroxyapatite has lower crystallinity than undoped hydroxyapatite. Magnesium doped carbonated hydroxyapatite has a greater pore size compared to Mesoporous carbonated hydroxyapatite. And 2% of the magnesium doped hydroxyapatite shows the most excellent result from all the analysis that we have done. That's all from me. Thank you.